Practice test 14, symbiosis in nature. Today I want to discuss symbiosis, which is a close and long-term interaction between two different species. Symbiosis can be mutualistic, commercial, commensal, or parasitic. Sorry about that. Let me read that one more time. Symbiosis can be mutualistic, commensal, or parasitic, but the general idea is that at least one organism benefits. Let's take a look at two examples of mutualism. The first example is a relationship between the clownfish and sea anemones. Sea anemones have stinging tentacles that protect clownfish from predators. In return, clownfish clean the anemones and scare away fish that might harm them. Both species benefit from this partnership. The second example involves bees and flowering plants. Bees collect nectar from flowers as food. While doing so, they transfer pollen from one flower to another, which helps plants reproduce. The bees gain food, and the plants achieve pollination. These examples show how different species can cooperate for survival. Symbiosis is an important ecological concept that explains many interactions in nature. The professor explains symbiosis. Using the examples from the lecture, explain the concept and how the professor illustrates it.